Welcome to Forensics Detectors, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Today we are doing a demo and tutorial on our data acquisition software. The previous tutorial or video was on installing the software, so make sure you see that because it's a continuation. Now, let's get straight to it, folks. Before you begin, grab your compatible detector. The FD4S is this guy, folks. It's a beauty. The USB cable it came with, connect that up to your computer and up to the detector. Make sure it is on. Double click to start the software. Once it's up, maximize the window so we got a great view. And the first thing you want to do in the software is start communicating with the detector. The way you do that is simply by pressing open, then read the detector data that establishes communication. The first tab is detector. It summarizes your detector with the sensors, the unit values, resolution, alarm points, and range. Folks, next thing you want to do is go to the live version. You want to see on your monitor what the detector is detecting. It's a real live version. You press start. This is a great feature, folks, because not many software data logging have this capability, and believe me, I've used many of them. Check this out. You could see the oxygen changing in real time, folks. So imagine remote sampling. You're far away from the detector, just get an extension. You could have this like a dashboard, like a central unit to see what's going on. That's a very powerful tool, folks. Now, next, Dr. Cos, how do we data log? Let's get it going. Click the data logging, and for each sensor, you see different tabs. The data acquisition settings are here. You can change different intervals of data logging, 10, 30, etc. Today I'll be choosing 1, and all you do is press the magic button, start collecting. And as you could see, bang, 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 the data is being logged. It's being collected or acquired. Now, let's go through it. This is your concentration level. Here we have oxygen, O2. The state, it shows you it's a normal reading. No alarms have been triggered. If they were triggered, you will see low or high alarm. And you have your date and time stamp. Again, in second intervals, okay? That occurs for each sensor your detector has. So for example, if you have a headspace analyzer with an oxygen sensor, only the oxygen will be logging. If you have an ozone FD600 sensor, only the ozone will be logging, etc., etc., and so on. So folks, let's press stop. Once you're done with your data acquisition, you press stop. And the next most important functionality is to export the data. You want it to be exported. So all you do is press export. The file of where it's being exported comes up. It's in the forensics directory, and you could see your file has been dumped over here. This is the data. And I know it's this one because of the date stamp and the time stamp. So a data file will be corresponding to each sensor. It's getting dumped in this directory, okay? And that's basically it. It's in a CSV file format. It's the most flexible file format for data acquisition, manipulation in Excel or any other spreadsheet. Now, we have another functionality here. It's called the alarm record export. If alarm was triggered or the detector itself has a history of triggering the alarms, it will extract that information and it will dump it into these alarm files so you can report these or have them as a reference. Okay, so this is where they are kept, and again, that is also in CSV file format. Now, that's basically it, folks. It's very simple software to use. Feel free to play around. Nothing will go wrong. And that's it. All I have to say is be healthy, take care of yourselves, keep having a great life. And any questions, always email us. Have a great day.